Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Can this be our first video to cross 500 views? If you like it, please share it with your friends. After making this video, I realized that these movies feature some of the great actors that are not with us today, likes of Irfan Khan, Rishi Kapoor and Sushant Singh Rajput. They are not with us today, but their work speaks for themselves. The first movie on the list is Manorama 6 Feet Under. The movie was released in 2007 and has an IMDb rating of 7.6. There's a dialogue in the movie which I really liked. कहते हैं ना अगर तरक्की करनी है तो पहले तबाही होगी. The movie features Abhay Deol, Raima Sen and Gul Panag in lead roles. You can also see Nawazuddin Siddiqui in the movie doing a small role and see how big a star he is now, 13 years later. The movie is different from mainstream Bollywood movies. It focuses on a dry land in Rajasthan where the water scarcity is at its peak, and the main character Satyaveer, who is a PW engineer and a writer who has written only one novel. One night Satyaveer gets an unusual visitor at their house. She says she's a big fan of the novel that he has written, and just as the novel's main character, who is a detective, she wants him to be the one who gives her whereabouts of her husband. That's all. Satyaveer, after few days, gives her the evidences which shows that her husband is having a secret affair. What follows after is a roller coaster ride. The same lady comes to Satyaveer and tells him that her name is Manorama and her age is 32 and someone is going to kill her. The next day's newspaper report read that Manorama committed suicide. With only knowing her name and age, how will a PWD engineer turned detective investigate this mystery? The movie is full of twists and turns. You would feel that every character in the movie is fake. When all the mystery unfolds, you will see the bigger picture that movie is trying to focus on. If you love thrillers, you should definitely give this movie a shot. The next movie on the list is Ittifaq. Ittifaq has an IMDb rating of 7.2, starring Akshay Khanna, Sonakshi Sinha and Siddharth Malhotra. Vikram, played by Siddharth Malhotra, is an acclaimed writer who is in Mumbai for a book launch, where he finds his publisher wife dead in their hotel room. He flees the hotel room because he thinks that cops suspect him. While the police gives chase, his car overturns and he escapes with some minor injuries and gets into a nearby apartment to take shelter. Maya, played by Sonakshi Sinha, lives there. She spots the police vehicle outside the apartment and rushes for help. Vikram is standing next to the body of her husband Shekhar, who has been murdered. So it becomes a double murder, and Dev Singh, played by Akshay Khanna, is the investigating officer. Maya said that she was trying to help Vikram with his wounds, but we don't know what happened. Both Vikram and Maya have their own versions of what happened that night. There's also another character, Chirag, added to the frame, who is Maya's boyfriend. The death of Vikram's wife turned out to be a death due to a heart attack, which then turned the entire focus on this case. The movie is a gem when it comes to the plot twist. The plot twist comes after the arrest has been done. At the end, when you know who's done all this, you will be as shocked as I was when I watched the movie in the theater. You could see people's reaction on their faces. One of the best made thrillers in Bollywood for sure. The next movie on the list is The Body. It has a low IMDb rating of 5.5 and has a star cast that involves Imran Hashmi, Rishi Kapoor and Vedika Kumar. The Body is directed by Jitu Joseph, who directed the original movie Drishyam, and is a remake of the Spanish movie The Body. The movie starts with the dead body of a woman named Maya, who died of a heart attack, disappearing from the morgue before autopsy. The police calls her husband Ajay, played by Imran Hashmi. SP Jairaj, played by Rishi Kapoor, suspects Ajay to have done this crime as he thinks Ajay is hiding something. Ajay at start is shown having an affair. Suspicious activity start happening at the morgue and Ajay feels Maya's presence around him. After certain events, Ajay is confirmed that Maya is staging all this as she found out that Ajay was the one trying to kill her. Ajay confesses everything that he has done to SP Jairaj and he seems to somewhat believe him. But then Maya's body is found. The movie is at times a bit awkward, you can say, but the suspense is that of best level you can think of. Rishi Kapoor slayed his role. The next movie on our list is Talwar. Talwar, with an IMDb rating of 8.2 and starring Irfan Khan, Konkona Sen, Tappu and Neeraj Kabi, is a movie based on 2008 Noida double murder case involving a teenage girl and a servant. The one thing that I really liked about the movie is that it shows you both sides of the story. The part of the police officers and CBI team and her parents. Two murders, one night, one dead body missing and the other of the child found next to the parents' room who said they heard nothing unusual that night. This case was a nationwide issue at that time, so the movie is made with full detailing. I can't tell you more of the insights, but everything is fishy about this case right from the start of the investigation. Irfan Khan was a pure gem in this role as a CBI officer. Even after the movie ends, you will be wondering, did it really happen that way? Vishal Bharadwaj received many awards for this movie. This movie has a better box office collection than the other movies in this video. The support cast were brilliant in their roles. Each and every actor played their role beautifully. The next movie on our list is Detective Vyomkesh Bakshi. With an IMDb rating of 7.6 and a star cast of Sushant Singh Rajput, Neeraj Kabi and Swastika Mukherjee, it's a must watch as it has some strong performances and great storyline which will make you scratch your heads. Movie starts in Calcutta in 1942 where Vyomkesh, played by Sushant, is asked by Ajit to help find his father who has been missing for months. Vyomkesh at first rejects the case but later takes on. The movie has another storyline connected to it which is drugs, opium, illegal business and the Japanese invasion. In this messed up situation involving drugs, killings and bombs, how will Detective Vyomkesh solve this case? Sushant Singh Rajput lived the role of Detective Vyomkesh, from the outfit to his expressions. The movie holds suspense so firmly that you will try to solve it on your own. Movie has an excellent backdrop of war-torn Calcutta from World War II. The movie is a bit slow-paced, but the performances will surely make up for it. All of these movies are really worth watching, so I request you to take some time and watch these movies if you haven't. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Until the next video, stay safe, stay home. Goodbye for now.